So we had a party in our bedroom. Me, my dad, and his old boss. They they came down because they had to bring a few things up, and he's sleeping in the kitchen. Don't know why. Dad's in his room and I'm in my room. We're watching a movie called Alexandra Cage Triple X. We got pretty far through it, but today has been a pretty good day. I stayed up all night last night, literally from getting home from work all the way to 6 o'clock in the morning for like 10 hours, just playing WoT Tanks. Really enjoyed the shit out of it. I've hardly ever pulled all-nighters recently. I don't even remember the last time I pulled an all-nighter, but I pulled a complete all-nighter. Today's a different story, but today was a good day. We went to Fasta, us three. We went bowling. It was good fun. Yeah, so I even played a bit of slot cars. It's been a good bloody day. It really has. Don't think I'll go to church tomorrow, to be honest. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I didn't do a video yesterday because technically I didn't go to sleep yesterday. Yesterday I don't really remember much of work. Yeah, I stayed up all night yesterday playing WoT Tanks. So yeah, today was a different story. Today I went to bowling, pasta. I saw Dad, saw my dad's old boss. Played soccer, have done everything. Played WoT Tanks. Yeah, busy day. Anyway, bye.